What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about perimeter and area of coordinate planes. So the first one is they give us a picture, and then they ask us to find the area or the perimeter around it. So perimeter means how far around. So the way we would do it is first by starting with the straight lines. Those are kind of the easy ones, and then we'll do the diagonal ones later. So from B to C, we went 1, 2, 3 spaces down. So this area right here, I can write as perimeter is equal to 3 plus from here to here. Even though it was -3 here, the only number that changed was 1. So I add 1. Now going from D to A, the 1's are the same, and the only difference is -3 to 1. So I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So plus 5. And then the last one is the diagonal. And the diagonal is going to be our hardest because we have to use our distance formula and do y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. And I get 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is the square root of 4 plus 1. Or the square root of 5, which I get 2.2. So then I add that to it. So then I have 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3, and I got a perimeter of 11.2. And again, if they had told us it's centimeters, I should do the label of centimeters. Now to find area, I need to cut this into smaller chunks to work with. So the first one, I see this rectangle. So the rectangle area is length times width. So the length is 1, or the width is 1, and the height is 3. So the area for that rectangle is 3. Then I have this triangle here. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So it is 1 as the base and 2 as the height. So I have 1/2 of 1 times 2. So 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. And then 1/2 of 2 is 1. This means that 3 plus 1 is 4. So the area for this shape is 4. Lastly, if they just give us a series of points, we have to plot them on the graph. So that we would go 2, 4, and label it as G, and then go to 2, -3, label it as H, -2, -3 as J, and then -2, +4 as K. Create our box, and then do the same series that we did on the previous slide. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.